बस एक ही नाम याद रखिए, मगध ज्ञान केंद्र कोचिंग क्लासेस।
Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about chapter 2 nutrition in animals of science class 7th. So as you can see in the screen, the diagram of digestive system in humans. The digestive system of in humans starts in mouth or buccal cavity. Buccal cavity contains salivary gland. From the mouth or buccal cavity, the food enters esophagus. After esophagus, it enters the stomach where the food is digested, and after stomach, it enters large intestine where other components of food is digested. We will learn later in this video which type of food is digested in which compartments of the human digestive system. When it enters small intestine, it goes to large intestine. In the large intestine, there is formation of facial matter. After the large intestine, it enters rectum, and then the waste is gone out of the body from anus. Digestive system. What is digestive system? The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. This tract of human digestive system is called alimentary canal. The alimentary canal consists of buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The food gets digested as food travels through the various compartments of the digestive system. On the right hand side, you can see the amazing fact. We have all heard about starfish, right? Now let's talk about how it takes its food or digests it. Starfish have a hard shell made up of calcium carbonate. Starfish pops out its stomach from its mouth. It eats soft animals inside the shell. Then the stomach goes back inside the body and the food gets slowly digested. The teeth are of two types. The milk teeth. These teeth fall off at the age between 6 to 8 years. Permanent teeth. These teeth replaces the milk teeth. These may stay throughout the life or fall off during old age during some dental disease. Other point, nutrition is a complex process including ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Now, the definition of ingestion is the process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Digestion. The process of digesting food inside the body is called digestion. Absorption. When the digested food pass into the blood vessels in the wall of small intestine, the nutrition from the digested food get taken in is called absorption. Assimilation. The process in which complex substances such as proteins required by the body is built is called assimilation. Egestion. When the facial matter is removed through the body is called egestion. The saliva breaks down the starch into sugars. As well as alimentary canal, human digestive system also consists of secretory glands. Secretory glands consists of salivary glands, liver, pancreas. These secretory glands help in digestion of some components of food. In the screen you can see the different regions of taste for tongue. Food pipe or esophagus. Food is pushed down by the walls of esophagus. At some times food is vomited out when it is not accepted by the stomach. The stomach. The stomach is a thick walled bag in the shape of J, and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. The inner wall of stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Small intestine. It is about 7.5 meters long. The small intestine is about 7.5 meters long. Small intestine receives the juice produced by the liver and it also produces digestive juices. The liver is a reddish brown gland. It secretes bile juice, and the bile juice is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The liver is the largest gland in human body. The pancreas is a large cream colored gland which secretes pancreatic juice that helps in the digestion of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and convert it into simpler substances. Carbohydrates into sugars, fats into fatty acid and glycerol, and proteins into amino acid. What are villi? Villi are small finger-like outgrowths which lie on the wall of small intestine. It increases the surface area for absorption of digested food. The blood vessels inside them takes the nutrition from the digested food. Digestion in grass-eating animals. The animals that quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of the stomach called rumen. The food gets partially digested and is called cud. Later on, the food returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Now we will talk about amoeba. As you can see in the screen, amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. It has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia. As you can see the diagram of amoeba, this is how it looks. So this is it for this video. We will make another video on exercise of chapter 2.